Hello, I'm Peter Lee. I used to call myself Peter Pan. I'm a professional trader in Hong Kong. Today is 2013, 30th of June. I've started this channel about 2 months ago and made many market predictions. A lot of them come real, so recommend you to look at my prior videos. Also, I set up a donation account. The information is right here. So welcome your donation, and also your donation can be reimbursed for future channel fee. But you need to email me for the receipt so that I can don't charge you channel fee later. So go back to the SMIC. So this company started to focus on advanced technology. As we can see right here, they have the ability to make very small IC, as you can see here. They are able to make 0.35 micron IC, and also you can see the data right here. Basically, they are, because the IC is very difficult to for a company to make a very small IC is very difficult, and they are able to make very small IC. So we can see the advanced technology right here. Also, because the shift of focus have becoming from scale to focus primarily on profit. Before the prior years like 2010, 2011, when they are losing money, they expand too fast. But right now they focus on profit. So they use the resources very efficiently. Make sure when they get a business, make sure that business can earn money. And they also use their resources very efficiently. So now they are making good profit. And this shift of focus is because of the new management they hired. And so like this guy here, highlight this guy. And because of this new management and new focus, they are starting to make good money. And as I said, they are able to make very small IC, and this is one of the advanced technology, and they also got patent in this area. So I want to most of the client of SMIC is from the United States, but like Texas Instrument, Qualcomm, they are all SMIC's client. But most recently, sorry, I just don't have the English. So this is actually saying 51.4% of the client is the USA client. But most recently, and the China client consisted of 38.6%. Most recently, this first quarter, it has jumped from 34.8% to 38.6%. So it's a very huge jump in a quarter, 4% jump. And what I see here is that most likely the client that come to the SMIC are the Chinese government related cooperation. And China is the world's largest IC consuming nation, and because a country is always wants their high technology to be their own company, So China is also wants SMIC, their own company, to be having this technology, so that it won't this one thing. And also the semiconductor may have usage in the military. So this is also why China is very willing to give big support in this industry. So I can see the client base will be more China client. So let's look at the this is the client list, as I said already. So let's look at the financial report. The most glaring improvement and need to be talked about is the gross profit. As you can see, there's a three times rises in the gross profit, and this is really a mark of a very good turnaround company, because they are able to. Some company they do big business, they have a big revenue, but the gross profit is very small, So some company may look good on the revenue, but actually it's not making money. But this company is very good, very focused on the gross profit, and you can see it's very good. And the most recently, 2013, the result, another result is right here. As you can see, there's a jump again in the gross profit, the margin, as you can see. And well, you may think it's growing rapidly, but I can tell you that comparing to the major IC semiconductor company, the gross profit margin is still low, for this company. So it has a big improvement, fuel for improvement for the gross profit. And also it has most recently has gone into a joint venture in China to build a factory, and it is going to be spending 27 billion Hong Kong dollars to build a factory. So the output of IC is going to be bigger, as they have more a factory to build more IC. So with a high profit, gross margin, with increase in production, we can see clearly this company is going to make very good money. And it has rise. The gross profit has risen for the four consecutive quarter. This is a major mark of a turnaround good company. And I can see in the future, with the support of the Chinese government, this company is going to make very, very good company consistently and in the future. Okay, so that's about it. So right now I recommend you guys to now is 57 cents. I recommend you on Tuesday in the opening, buy in the opening price, and in this very not a good market at this moment, it's important to buy good stock, and this is a very good stock with a good government backing and a good future, and it's clearly turning around and making good money. So recommend it. The above is personal opinion. Stock to rise and fall. There can be a high volatility in the stock market. There's risk involved in buying stock, and this is the highlighted is the full disclaimer. So I also suggest you read it too. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.